To use the smart reading option, simply say, "Hey OrCam, smart reading," followed by what you want it to do. For instance, if you want the device to capture a full page and read the text, say, "Hey OrCam, read everything." The device will ask you to take a picture of the text you want to read, and it will then read it all back to you. To start reading from a specific word, say, "Hey OrCam, start from," and the device will find that word in a block of text and start reading from it. The OrCam read can tell you the time. Say, "Hey OrCam, tell time."
The time is 11:55 a.m.
For a list of all the available voice commands, say, "Hey OrCam, list settings commands."
Settings has this following commands: read faster, read slower, reading speed down, volume up, speak louder, speak softer, volume down, enter the user menu, change the voice,